Welcome to Hood Parrot's episodes. All right, they think they can block Hood Parrot? Time for some Mission Impossible with feathers. Pigeon Squad, handle my light work. Uncle Hood owes you one. Shh. Air Jordans in stealth mode. Smooth as butter, baby.
Ooh, yeah, let's get jiggy with it. This is the place where the party at.
Yo, 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 yo. DJ Flame, step aside, blind man. Time to give these people some real heat and wings. Club Flamingo, make some noise for Hood Parrot in the house.
Oh no, the pink spaghetti legs found me. Quick, one more track.
And that, my friends, is how you turn a no into a standing ovation. Hood Parrot out.
That's a wrap, my people. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, save, and subscribe to Hood Parrot's episodes.